Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about the key components of a business plan and why they are important. But before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to all our subscribers. Thank you for joining us on this journey. And we can't wait to share more valuable content with you in the future. Now let's dive into the hand. A business plan is a crucial document that outlines the strategy and the goals of a company. It serves as a roadmap for the future, and it's important to have one in place before starting a business or making any major changes to an existing one. The key components of a business plan include an executive summary, a market analysis, a competitive analysis, a sales and marketing plan, an operational plan, and a financial plan. The executive summary is the first thing that investors or potential partners will read, so it's important to make a strong presentation. It should be a brief overview of your company, its mission, and its goals. Market analysis is where you research and analyze your target market, and it's important to understand your customer base before you start selling your product or service. The competitive analysis is where you research and analyze your competition, and it's important to know what you are up against before you start your business. On the other hand, the sales and marketing plan is where you outline how you plan to reach and sell to your target market, and it's important to have a clear strategy in place. The operational plan is where you outline how your business will run on a day-to-day basis, and it's important to have a plan in place to ensure that your business runs smoothly. And finally, the financial plan is where you outline your financial projections. And it's important to have a clear understanding of your finances to ensure that your business is financially viable. Overall, the key components of a business plan are essential to the success of your business. They help you to understand your market, your competition, your finances, and they give you a clear roadmap for a future. As a call to action, we encourage you to take the time to develop a comprehensive business plan for your company and to review and update it regularly. And if you want more information on how to develop and implement a business plan, make sure to check out our other videos on the topic. Thank you for watching and for being a part of our community. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest business tips and strategies. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.